Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Claude Dev. We're also having a look at Cursor AI. We're going to put them head to head and figure out what makes them tick and why you should be using one over the other. So let's dive in. Right, so Claude has actually been around for quite a while. Claude actually helps developers write better code faster. The AI assistant generates production quality code in multiple languages while explaining complex concepts in a simple or more clearer format. The other things that they offer is their production level code. It creates working solutions across multiple programming languages with impressive accuracy. They have error identification, which quickly spots bugs and explains the underlying issues within the error in plain language. It also has platform adaptation. It adapts code to different environments and frameworks with customized solutions. Okay, so looking at Cursor now, you can actually supercharge your coding workflow. Cursor AI is quite a powerful tool. It aims to transform your coding experience in a whole. It offers a wide range of intelligent features that are actually designed to boost your productivity and enhance your code quality. At the core of Cursor AI, it actually has the ability to integrate seamlessly within a familiar coding environment. This also allows you as a developer to access advanced tools as well as functionality without disrupting your already established workflows. It also leverages the power of AI and provides intelligent code completion, smart code improvement suggestions, and other more advanced capabilities. These features, of course, work together to help develop a cleaner, more efficient code. Ultimately, it will streamline your coding process and your output will be of better quality. So whether you are an experienced programmer or you are just starting out your coding journey, Cursor AI does have the potential to elevate those coding skills and accelerate your project delivery. It's got a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology. It is poised to become an invaluable asset in your coding toolkit. Let's have a look at one or two more features. So the AI code completion and smart code improvement, this is pretty big. So it has predictive multi-line code. So it anticipates your next lines based on your recent changes. It also does this based on your recent projects. It also optimizes your code structures within one click, and then it transforms loops into more efficient patterns, and it can clean up duplicated or even unnecessary code. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. What an epic battle. Now, if you found this video enjoyable, you can go ahead and hit the like down below. You can also subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and we will see you next time.